Want to build the ultimate World Cup fan gear? Let's make the VikingZone POV Wand. Print your parts first. Strip the supports. Clean and ready. This setup is tiny but powerful. Now the glow. Stick your LED segments inside. I'm rocking the cyan and white for Argentina, but you can customize your colors. Time to solder. Thread the negative through the slot and the positive straight to the strip. Solder the switch to your 12-volt A23 battery.
Closing the circuit. Solder the other switch terminal to the LED negative.
Test it out and stick that LED strip in place.
Snap it into the handle and close it up.
Secure the handle with filament and heat seal the ends.
Boom! A pro-level light stick ready for the stadium. Grab the STL on Colts 3D or Creality Cloud at VikingZone. Let's go!